The Megachef 13-piece pre-seasoned cast iron skillet set offers a good variety for home cooking. It includes different sized skillets, a griddle, and a Dutch oven, allowing you to cook a range of meals. The pre-seasoning is a helpful feature, making the pans ready to use right out of the box. The tempered glass lids are a nice addition. They let you monitor your food without lifting the lid, which helps maintain cooking temperatures. Silicone handle holders are included for protection against the heat, which is important when handling hot cast iron. The set is suitable for various cooking methods, from searing a steak to simmering a stock. The different plate sizes are also useful for serving at the table. Using this Megachef cast iron set for a brunch was quite convenient. The griddle was perfect for pancakes and bacon, while the smaller skillet handled eggs with ease. The cast iron distributes heat evenly, which is great for consistent cooking. The Dutch oven is a versatile piece, good for soups or braising. Cleaning cast iron can be a bit of a process, but the pre-seasoned surface helps. The set's status is that it provides a solid foundation for any home cook. The included covers are a good feature to keep food warm. We must be careful while using these pans, as they retain heat for a long time. Overall, the Megachef cast iron set is a decent investment for someone looking to expand their cookware. It provides a good range of pieces for different cooking needs. The pre-seasoning and included accessories are useful features. Some notes to remember are that cast iron requires proper care to maintain its quality. The weight of cast iron is a factor to consider. If you are looking for a complete cast iron set, this Megachef cast iron set is a good option. Pros: high-quality cast iron, pre-seasoned, non-stick surface, durable, perfect size, includes a lid, great value, heats up good, heats evenly, cleans up easy, versatile, handle covers. Cons: maintenance, rust risk, missing screw on lid, pinhole in pan, company no reply, heavy cookware, paper towel snagging, need oiling, potential for rust, check for holes, handle attachment issues. Features: 13-piece set, pre-seasoned cast iron, tempered glass lids, silicone holders, various skillet sizes, even heat distribution, durable material, retains heat well, versatile cooking, easy to clean. This Megachef 13-piece set provides multiple pre-seasoned cast iron skillets in different sizes, each with a tempered glass lid. The cast iron material helps cook food evenly and keeps it warm longer. Silicone holders are included to protect hands from heat. These skillets are designed for various cooking needs and are relatively easy to clean. This set includes many pieces. The Megachef 13-piece cast iron set offers a pre-seasoned, non-stick cooking experience with various sizes and lids, providing good heat distribution and easy cleaning. However, some users encountered issues like missing lid screws, pinholes in pans, and difficulty getting customer support. The heavy cookware requires regular oiling to prevent rust, and the handle covers and paper towels can sometimes snag. While it offers good value and versatility, potential buyers should check for defects and be prepared for the maintenance involved with cast iron.